What's up, Alvin?
Hey Juliette, what's up?
Let's introduce ourselves. We are bonded brother and sister rescues,
And
the new ambassadors of From the Field. Remember From the Field's mission: make cats happy and make cat parents happy.
well, I sure like being happy, and some good catnip always does the trick.
Yeah, especially with some silver vine.
Oh, remember last time you had silver vine? Heh, heh, heh. Are you okay, Juliette?
I'm fine, so fine.
Remember, keep it natural, pick from the field.